accomplished!
I can still do this! Okay! Tell me about the mission, Captain Yamato!
Well, the next mission... Actually, the next mission is rest.
Rest?
Think of it as the 5th Hokage's gesture of kindness. We just finished our last one.
Come on, I was psyched to get out there!
Now. This is an opportunity for the 3 of you to visit Kakashi. You haven't met him yet, have you, Sai?
I haven't.
Kakashi asked me to bring the 3 of you by.
You know, we haven't reported back to him about our last mission.
Well then, you'd better go.
Yeah, okay, but hey, where's Kakashi-sensei?
He said something about going to the forest to test out his strength.
Alright, then that's where we're going! This ought to do it! He's up here somewhere, right?
If we take too long, we might miss him again.
Then let's pick up the pace!
Naruto, Sakura. Hey.
Huh? What's up with you?
Sai's acting so funny.
Well, I read in a book how to make others feel at ease around you. The book said to call people by their first names, or to use nicknames and terms of endearment. So, I'm going to start using your first names casually, if that's okay.
You've really been thinking about that, huh?
You don't have to ask us things like that.
Yeah, just let that stuff come naturally.
Okay.
Alright, Sakura, Sai, let's find Kakashi-sensei! Begin! Mission accomplished! Kakashi-sensei!
Oh, here they are.
How's your recovery coming?
Actually, I think I'm completely healed. So you're the new team member. Sai, was it? Nice to meet you.
Sir,
What's wrong, Naruto? You look pretty serious.
Kakashi-sensei, on our last mission
I know. Yamato told me everything. About Sasuke, too.
I can't bring him back now. Sasuke has gotten way too strong for me.
Well, in that case, you're gonna need to get even stronger, right?
Huh?
I've been thinking about how to accelerate your growth, and I came up with a training method. In fact, if this training pans out, Naruto, your power may even surpass mine.
Surpass you, Kakashi-sensei? What are we gonna be working on?
An ultimate ninjutsu just for you.
My own ultimate ninjutsu?
So, wanna give it a try?
Of course!
Good. When you return to the village, come to the training field. We'll begin there.
New ultimate ninjutsu? Awesome! I can't wait! Haha! Sweet, an item! All mine! Let's start the training right now, Kakashi-sensei!
Don't rush it. Each step will take time.
So, where do I begin?
First, you have to examine your chakra nature.
Captain Yamato!
Yamato will be aiding me in training you.
You can count on me.
Right. So, what's a chakra nature?
Each of us has one of 5 chakra natures. Fire, water, earth, wind, and lightning.
Forget the details for now. Let's get started. Time for a little sparring. We'll find out what nature you possess.
Got it!
Begin! Mission accomplished!
I see.
So, what's my nature?
Well, now we know. Your chakra nature is wind. It can rip and sever almost anything in its path.
Oh yeah, I knew it! I'm unstoppable!
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
You have to work very hard to master your nature.
So how do I train?
The first step is to hold a leaf between your palms and cut it using only chakra. You'll slowly get the hang of the change in chakra nature.
All right, I got this!
This is the most prosperous nation? There's nothing but trees.
This is the borderland with the land of fire. It's no surprise there's nothing here.
Kakazu, are we really gonna find Jinchuriki here?
I don't know, but if we're thorough, we'll find it eventually. Follow me, Hidan.
Fine by me, as long as I get to beat people up.
You can fight, but don't get carried away. Someday it'll come back to bite you.
Oh, come on. Why you gotta be so negative?
I won't go easy on ya!
Begin!
Won't go easy on you!
Begin!
Help recovery! Help recovery! Keeper! Health recovery!
Time's up! Mission failed!